You know, sometimes you just want to have a simple trapezoid, right? So let's just take a look at this guy here. I'll come into this guy and we'll go over here to routing data, and I'll just say, let's just have a trapezoid. We could put in a pipe too, but I'll say trapezoid. And let's say you've got a bottom width of, let's say 10 feet and a side slope of 1 to 4. So it's 1 foot rise, a 4 foot run. And in HEC HMS, they want kind of like a max discharge as a guesstimate here. So I'll say 1,000 CFS here. And then I click on OK. So I've now defined it at one location, right? But I got a whole bunch to do. So what I can do is here, I can come in here, right click on this, say copy properties. And it says copy properties have been copied. Then I can go to my selection set menu, say invert selection, and it flips it around. I can right click here, say paste properties. It says properties have been pasted. So now if I go back this reach here, it's now a trapezoid, right? So I can easily, you know, I can easily do that kind of simplified stuff. So anyways, my model basically is set up. I just have to define my storm.